already visit the website and I see this is not a new business, it's an old business, almost 18 to 20 years. I mean, it's a brand.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly. They've existed for a long time. They do very good auto repair work. They specialize in European and what's it called? European vehicles mostly. Like they love them for all the alignment work and everything like that. So that's one of our clients, and so we want to start with one client of ours, which is them. And when it works out well, if it's successful, like we get a ROAS of like, minimum three, upwards of, whatever. I have many accounts like this that I want to add this service to. So right now we've never done this. We want to extend this as a service to our clients. So this is my first experience with yourself. And again, if it works well, I have more accounts to add, but let's see how we can set things up.
Yeah, sure. Because I know if you make money by me, then you will give
Then
me
I
more
then I have more
account.
money to provide. Yeah, because then if my main thing is, brother, is if my clients are happy, that everything is good. I want to make sure that they're successful. So that's it. Yeah.